Learn English with simple morning actions. Listen, watch, and repeat these easy action verbs with me. Ready? Let's start. Ring. The alarms. Ring. Ring. The alarms. Ring. Open. He opens his eyes. Open. He opens his eyes. Look. He looks at the clock. Look. He looks at the clock. Check. He checks his phone. Check. He checks his phone. Find. He finds his shoes. Find. He finds his shoes. Put. He puts on his shoes. Put. He puts on his shoes. Pick. He picks up his backpack. Pick. He picks up his backpack. Close. He closes the door. Close. He closes the door. Lock. He locks the door. Lock. He locks the door. Run. He runs down the stairs. Run. He runs down the stairs. Jump. He jumps over the puddle. Jump. He jumps over the puddle. Climb. He climbs the stairs. Climb. He climbs the stairs. Push. He pushes the door. Push. He pushes the door. Pull. He pulls the chair. Pull. He pulls the chair. Lift. He lifts the box. Lift. He lifts the box. Drop. He drops his pen. Drop. He drops his pen. Catch. He catches the ball. Catch. He catches the ball. Throw. He throws the ball. Throw. He throws the ball. Kick. He kicks the ball. Kick. He kicks the ball. Hold. He holds his phone. Hold. He holds his phone. Touch. He touches the screen. Touch. He touches the screen. Pour. He pours some water. Pour. He pours some water. Mix. He mixes the ingredients. Mix. He mixes the ingredients. Wash. He washes the dishes. Wash. He washes the dishes. Fold. He folds his clothes. Fold. He folds his clothes. Hang. He hangs his jacket. Hang. He hangs his jacket. Search. He searches for his keys. Search. He searches for his keys. Choose. He chooses a shirt. Choose. He chooses a shirt. Buy. He buys some food. Buy. He buys some food. Pay. He pays the cashier. Pay. He pays the cashier. Point. He points at the picture. Point. He points at the picture. Show. He shows his friend. Show. He shows his friend. Give. He gives her a book. Give. He gives her a book. Take. He takes the book. Take. He takes the book. Bring. He brings his bag. Bring. He brings his bag. Move. He moves the chair. Move. He moves the chair. Carry. He carries the box. Carry. He carries the box. Open. He opens the window. Open. He opens the window. Close. He closes the window. Close. He closes the window. Clean. He cleans the table. Clean. He cleans the table. Sweep. He sweeps the floor. Sweep. He sweeps the floor. Cook. He cooks breakfast. Cook. He cooks breakfast. Cut. He cuts the bread. Cut, he cuts the bread. Peel, he peels a banana. Peel, he peels a banana.
Wait, he waits for the bus. Wait, he waits for the bus. Ride, he rides his bike. Ride, he rides his bike. Drive, he drives to work. Drive, he drives to work. Stop, he stops at the corner. Stop, he stops at the corner. Start, he starts his computer. Start, he starts his computer. Finish, he finishes his work. Finish, he finishes his work. Great job! You just learned useful action verbs. Now, say them again and practice using them every day. Keep learning, keep practicing, and level up your English with G. See you in the next lesson. Bye.